Operating a vehicle equipped with an ignition interlock device comes with strict rules you need to follow. These devices measure your breath alcohol content before allowing your car to start. They're designed to detect even small amounts of alcohol. The devices are highly sensitive and sometimes register positive results from non-alcoholic sources. Common items like certain mouthwashes, breath mints, or even some foods can trigger a failed test. The device cannot distinguish between alcohol from these products and actual drinking. Your state's laws determine when a failed test becomes an official violation. Different states have different rules about how many failed tests lead to penalties. Some states count a single failure as a violation, while others allow multiple failures before taking action. In Arizona, the rules vary based on your age. If you're 21 or older, 2 failed breath tests result in a violation. Drivers under 21 face stricter standards with just 1 failed test counting as a violation. You'll also receive a violation if you miss or fail 3 rolling retests in a row. An ignition interlock device, IID, is a safety tool that stops drivers from operating their vehicle if alcohol is detected on their breath. The device works like a breathalyzer that connects directly to your car's starting system. Before you can turn on your engine, you must provide a breath sample into the IID. The device measures your blood alcohol concentration, BAC, or breath alcohol concentration, BRAC. If your BAC exceeds the set limit, the interlock device will not let your vehicle start. In many states, this threshold is set at 0.02. If you fail the initial breath test, you'll face a brief lockout period before you can attempt another test. Once your engine is running, the IID will ask for additional breath samples at random intervals. These are called rolling retests. If you fail a rolling retest while driving, an alarm will activate. You'll need to safely pull over, shut off your vehicle, and provide another breath sample to stop the alarm and verify the reading. Breaking the rules of your ignition interlock program can lead to serious consequences. Your interlock provider monitors your device and sends real-time reporting to the authorities about any problems. Failed breath test. A failed breath test happens when you blow into the device and it detects alcohol above the allowed limit. If you are under 21 years old, any failed test counts as an IID violation. If you are 21 or older, your first failed test is usually forgiven, but your second one triggers a violation. Rolling retest issues. While you drive, your device will ask for a random retest to make sure you stay sober. Missing or failing 3 rolling retests creates a violation. This includes shutting off your car when the device asks for a sample, even if you do it by accident. Missed calibration. You must bring your vehicle to your interlock provider every 90 days for device checks. Missing this appointment will reset your program timeline and can suspend your license. Tampering or removal. Trying to tamper with or get around the device will extend your program by 6 months. You might also face criminal charges. Taking the device out early resets your entire program and suspends your license. The only exception is switching vehicles, which gives you 72 hours to move the device. You cannot drive during this change. Ignition interlock systems can make errors, even when you follow all the rules correctly. Technical problems or human mistakes can lead to violations that affect your driving privileges. These violations can create serious problems if you need your car for work or daily tasks. You have options if you think a violation happened by mistake. A criminal defense lawyer can help you challenge the violation in court. They can review your case and look at the device records from companies like Interlock. A lawyer who knows these cases can protect your rights. They understand how interlock devices work and can spot technical errors. Getting legal support quickly gives you the best chance to fight unfair violations. A qualified criminal defense attorney will evaluate the circumstances of your arrest and develop a strategy tailored to your situation. They can help reduce penalties or potentially dismiss charges. Free consultations allow you to discuss your case with professionals who have helped many clients facing similar charges. Getting legal representation early protects your rights and your future opportunities. Contact Phoenix DUI Lawyer, attorneys at law at 602-900-9891 to discuss your situation. Our criminal law team provides strong defense strategies for DUI cases throughout Arizona.